Let's make some pork chops today. I'll make a couple pork chops and use some olive oil in my hot pan. There. I did put some salt and pepper on the pork chop. Let's let these cook. It's been 4 minutes. I'm going to flip them over. I'm on medium-high heat. And let these cook another 4 minutes. Over here, I have some prunes and chicken stock. It's been another 4 minutes. I'm going to take them off and let these rest. Put them off to the side. I'm going to add shallot. I have 1 large shallot, which is about 1/4 of a cup. And 1 green onion, 1 scallion. I use the whole thing, the white and the green. I'll let this cook for about a minute. They've cooked 2 minutes. I'm going to use some of this Apple Brandy, 1/4 of a cup. And that will deglaze. And it smells so good. This apple brandy smells just like fresh apples. It is incredible. It's cooked 1.5 minutes. It's reduced by half. I'm going to add chicken broth. I'm going to add about 1/2 cup. A little more than 1/2 cup. And I'm going to let this reduce. Let this simmer like this for 5 minutes. To reduce, I'm going to add 1/4 cup heavy cream. That's 4 tablespoons. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon zest. Let that infuse in there. Just like that. I'm going to let this come up to a bubble. And in here I have cornstarch and water. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water. And it comes up to a really nice bubble, which it is. I'm going to add a little bit of this just to thicken slightly. And it's already thickened. Pretty much on contact there. Take and add our prunes. You don't have to use prunes. It's nice to have a little fruit. Apples might be very nice with this. And we're ready to serve. Have the 2 pork chops. I'm going to serve with the sauce. Just like that. The pork should be ready since it rested. I'm gonna taste. That's wonderful. Very nice way to serve pork chops. Thank you so much for watching.